My name is Anthony Talbert, Senior Brand Manager with Flying Cross, and we're here to discuss public safety uniforms. Now, depending on the agency, the vernacular used, the desired image, we can categorize public safety uniforms from a 30,000-foot view in three primary buckets. Class A uniforms, or dress uniforms. Class B uniforms, or what we like to call at Flying Cross, functional duty uniforms. And then finally, your tactical or special ops, special teams uniforms. A Class A uniform can also be classified as a dress uniform depending on the agency's vernacular or desired image. Now, comprised of a dress coat, the matching pants and shirt, this uniform is often worn in formal occasions. For example, a graduation, a promotion, or even a funeral. Ranging from stock to custom dress blouses, public safety agencies have the option to truly build the formal image of their liking. Now, dress blouses are often available in polyester or polywool options with multiple styling capabilities. Law enforcement professionals wear single-breasted dress coats with silver buttons, like we see here, and fire professionals wear double-breasted dress coats with gold buttons. Here's a common Class A or dress uniform you may find in the field. This is the Flying Cross Justice Polywool Dress Class A blouse coat. Made of 75-25 polywool, this single-breasted blouse coat features a 4-button front with 2 box pleated breast pockets with scalloped flaps and 2 lower simulated pockets with scalloped flaps. This Class A dress ensemble will be completed with a matching 4-pocket pant and dress shirt. Class B uniforms can also be classified as functional duty uniforms. Now, this is the apparel officers are wearing on the daily basis. These uniforms are often made up of polyester, polywool, polyrayon, or polycotton. And as of recent, agencies are requesting fabrics with stretch. For example, our FX Stat Polycotton Mini Ripstop with stretch, or the Flying Cross Core Stat 96% polyester with 4% spandex. The true differentiating factor of functional duty uniforms is going to be the pocket styling. Class B trousers often offer some type of cargo pocket, either external or hidden. Now, here are some examples of cargo pockets you may find in the field. Here we have 2 examples of cargo pockets you will see out in the field. The first is our Justice Polywool 47-680 uniform pant. This pant features a T11 cargo pocket, and what that means is you're going to have a quarter top pocket here along the side seam with an external side cargo pocket that you can have access here, as well as a hidden cell phone pocket with a zipper securing it here. The second example of a cargo pocket you may find out in the field comes from the Flying Cross FX 77400 FX Stat Polycotton Mini Ripstop pant. This pant features a hidden cargo pocket, and this cargo pocket is hidden with this seam here, but you still have access with a zipper to secure any documents or credentials or tools, and it features a functional knife notch pocket here. Again, depending on the agency's desired image, any one of the polyester, polywool, or polyrayon uniforms can be worn up and down the spectrum of Class A and Class B style uniforms. For example, the Flying Cross Justice Polywool uniform can be worn as a Class A or as a Class B. Tactical or utility type uniforms are often reserved for special teams within an agency. For example, SWAT team, CERT teams, bomb squad, K9 unit. These uniforms are often more aggressive looking in nature, using pocket styling and garment design to offer more functionality for the user. Many of these uniforms are made of a polycotton blend because of the durability this fabric blend offers. With our sister brand Vertex, examples of these special teams type uniforms will include our Recon line, our Phantom Ops uniform line, our Phantom LT line, and our Fusion products. Here's an example of a uniform you may find in the field, and this is part of our Recon uniform line. This is the Vertex Recon Tactical Uniform. The shirt feature is the Recon Combat Shirt, which allows for high performance and built for durability. The sleeves of this uniform is made of 65-35 poly cotton mini ripstop, and the body is made with performance fabric for high performance. The Vertex Recon Pant provides special units the necessary tactical functionality, offering maximum storage ability for units who need to balance loading and packing with the ability to remain mobile and functional. Now, while our sister brand Vertex specializes in tactical type uniforms, remember, depending on the agency's desired image, the Flying Cross poly cotton uniforms can blend through the spectrum of Class B uniforms and, depending on the agency, into special teams type uniforms. For more information on Flying Cross Class A, Class B, or Vertex Special Teams uniforms, visit flyingcross.com.